Allow me to honor my president in absentia, Takuza Gazore, who is currently in police custody. My major concern in the pursuit of a democratic agenda in Zimbabwe is the continuously shrinking civic and democratic space, and how we are letting each other down as activists, as political leaders, and as civic leaders. How we are letting our own people perish in cells, go detained, and we are silent about it. How each of us is pursuing a selfish agenda. How each of us is fighting for relevance. We are busy fighting internally in our different institutions, while just ignoring the major problem in Zimbabwe right now. Right now we have Makumburi Rariswisha, we have Takuza Gazore, and two young women from the MDC, Cecilia and Joanna, who are currently in custody for speaking out, for challenging the systems, and for defending human rights. We as the leaders, back then at the South Zimbabwe campaign, we were united. The problem right now is quite complicated. We are fighting a state that is armed. We are fighting a government that is scared of its own citizens, but uses all machinery to fight us, or uses all machinery to attack us. Therefore, we need a united front. We need a united approach. We need to get together, to go back to the drawing board, to the drawing board, re-strategize and fight back as a united force, and fight back with one voice. So I think that's my major concern. And the other thing is how we as students are fighting our own battles without support maybe from other like-minded organizations. Thank you ZCTU for the continuous solidarity and support. But then I think we need to consolidate and amplify our voices right now, from now going forward. If we first fees hikes, I expect political players to speak out. I expect teachers' unions to speak out. I expect trade unionists to speak out and support us. And the same applies if workers are having lower wages. They are our parents. We support them. So what we need right now is to consolidate our voices and speak in one voice.